Ozone depletion is one of the most serious environmental problems faced by our planet. To understand it, let's first know what ozone actually is. High up in the stratosphere, about 10 to 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface, there is a thin layer of gas known as the ozone layer. Ozone is a molecule made of 3 oxygen atoms, and it plays a vital role in protecting life on Earth. Its main job is to absorb the majority of the sun's harmful ultraviolet or UV radiation. Without the ozone layer, these dangerous rays would reach the Earth's surface, causing severe damage to humans, animals, and plants. However, since the mid-20th century, scientists discovered that the ozone layer was thinning in certain parts of the atmosphere. This phenomenon is known as ozone depletion. The most famous example is the ozone hole over Antarctica, which was first detected in the 1980s. So what causes this depletion? The main culprits are man-made chemicals called chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, along with halons, carbon tetrachloride, and methylchloroform. These substances were widely used in refrigerators, air conditioners, spray cans, and foam products. When released into the atmosphere, they eventually rise up into the stratosphere. There, under the influence of sunlight, they break apart and release chlorine and bromine atoms. These atoms are extremely destructive. A single chlorine atom can destroy thousands of ozone molecules before it is neutralized. This chemical reaction is the main reason behind the thinning of the ozone layer. The consequences of ozone depletion are alarming. With less ozone, more ultraviolet radiation reaches the Earth. This increases the risk of skin cancer, cataracts, and weakened immune systems in humans. It also damages crops, reduces plankton in the oceans, and disrupts ecosystems. In short, it endangers all forms of life. Fortunately, the world took action. In 1987, the Montreal Protocol was signed by many countries to phase out the use of ozone-depleting substances. This international agreement is considered one of the most successful environmental treaties in history. Since then, the use of harmful CFCs and similar chemicals has been greatly reduced. Thanks to these global efforts, the ozone layer is now slowly recovering. Scientists believe that if current policies continue, the ozone layer could return to its pre-1980 levels by the middle of this century. In conclusion, ozone depletion is a clear example of how human actions can harm the environment, but also how cooperation and awareness can help solve global problems. Protecting the ozone layer means protecting life on Earth.